Oh, well, hi. Everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food tonight. So, what do we got? Well, we're making another, we're remaking a recipe tonight. It's a really good one, but it's really different. I'm doing things differently now, and the flavors are different. It's like when you make a recipe and it comes out one way, and then your friend makes a recipe and it comes out completely different. We're working on the different stuff. So, what do we got? Well, tonight we're making mushrooms Newburg over polenta. Now, the recipe calls for just cooking up some mushrooms. Yay. This one, you might notice, the face is a little darker than the rest. That's because I fried it face down, creating a caramelized face, giving it much more mushroom flavor. Then I flipped it over and cooked it up in a little butter. La la la, big exciting deal. And with that, we had an onion. So I got that stuff out of the skillet, and I threw in 2/3 of an onion, basically. And you can't really see it, but that cooked for an hour. On low. No browning allowed. And when you do that, you end up with kind of onion soup flavored onions, nice and caramelized. Very different from what you get if you just throw them into a hot skillet and brown the edges. So, exciting, huh? Onions and mushrooms, that's some good stuff. What do we do with that? Well, I threw in a little sherry to deglaze the pan, and I set that aside because I got to make a sauce. So after cooking for an hour and a half, I got an empty pan, and I'm going to throw in, let's see, some butter, some flour, equal parts, some chicken stock, and some heavy cream. And then we'll do the 50s cream sauce thing, a little nutmeg and cayenne. Oh yeah, and it's thickened with a couple of egg yolks. Yeah, mushrooms and a basic cream sauce. Just for reference, it says about 2 cups of liquid, meaning chicken stock and cream in this case. Yeah, we don't do lightweight cream, and we really don't have a lot of milk, so everything's heavy cream. Oh, terrible, terrible. So that's going to be our dinner tonight. We're having that on a bed of polenta. Now, Mrs. Chef has griped at me that I haven't done a polenta show, so here we are with polenta. Bob's Red Mill. That's my brand. Works great. Got a recipe on the back. What a surprise, right? Read the directions. We do the creamy polenta, which, because we do a half order of polenta, we do half cup of polenta itself, 1 cup water, half cup chicken stock, and half cup heavy cream. Oh yeah, that's terrible stuff. So that's it. We got mushrooms cooked differently for more flavor, browning the face, cooking the rest, onions cooked for an hour in a classic cream sauce of butter, flour, make a roux, chicken stock and heavy cream, and a few spices, nutmeg and cayenne, and that's about it. So, oh yeah, thickened with egg yolks, beaten with water. Classic stuff. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that. And yeah, I know somebody's going to be looking at the background for all the details you can't usually see. That, right about there, which of course you can't really see, is my KGB officer's hat. Yeah, I have a history. I'll tell you about it someday. Thank you and goodbye.